Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be exciting because I am going to unbox the Realme cooling back clip. Along with this cooler, I also ordered the gaming sleeves, review of which I'll be doing in my coming video. So without wasting any time, let's cut the plastic on the box and open it. So the cooling clip comes inside this plastic case and the packing looks good here. Under the box we have a few papers and a yellow cable. This is for charging the cooler. They would have done some cost cutting by giving a micro USB, but they have given a USB Type-C cable, other end of which is a USB-A. One of the pages shows the correct way of placing the device, something which I am going to tell in the later part of this video. So guys, let's take out the cooling clip. I was actually surprised to see something else. This is a thermal silicon pad and will be in touch with the phone. So after some time, maybe like 1 year or so, this may wear out and you can replace the existing pad with this one. This pad is cooled down by a semiconductor ice chip present inside. So guys, now let's test the cooling clip. On the back side, the part that will be touching the phone is a silicon pad, which I was talking about. The rest of the area has these textures which gives a good look to the device. The holder on the top has FlyDigi written on it. And for those who don't know, FlyDigi is a gaming company which makes all these gaming accessories. The length of the cooler is 6.5 centimeters and one can stretch it up to 8.5 centimeters, sufficient enough to hold any phone. On the front of the clip, we have two buttons. One of them is the power button and the other is for turning on the lights, and it has RGB Light Effect, which I am going to show you in this video. This cooler has a voltage rating of 5 volts and a current rating of 2 amperes and runs at 5500 RPM. As it is written here, this one is made in China. I am really impressed with the build quality of the cooler. Doesn't feel like a 51 gram device. The plastic is of very high grade. At one end we have the USB Type-C for charging. So to conclude, on the quality front, I don't see any issues and overall the cooler looks premium. Now let me plug in the charging cable and turn it on. You will be seeing this blue light, which means that the cooler is in on state, and you can also see the fan moving. Now let me show you the RGB light effect. The light effect here is really good. It starts off with red, green, blue, followed by other colors, and you will be seeing the colors fading off into other. In one of the cases like here, I could see 2 colors at a time, which I really loved. There were also few cases wherein I saw multiple colors, and I'm sure you are going to love this. The cooler doesn't support changing the color combination or having any constant color. There is no vibration in the cooler. You can see here that from the past 1 minute it's at the same place. Also, the noise from the cooler is something which you will barely notice. Realme claims that the cooler has 1 second rapid cooling and it's been more than 2 minutes. Let me tell you that it's really cold. The temperature is around 10 degrees Celsius. I don't have the right equipment to measure the temperature, otherwise I would have shown you this. I tried fitting this on my OnePlus 5T and fits really tight. And I'll be doing some testing with my ROG 3 and soon post a video on it. In order to get the best cooling, this cooler needs to be near the CPU, which is nothing but the motherboard of the phone. From what I know, the CPU of most phones will be near the camera and should be placed as shown in the user guide. In this image, the fan is far from the CPU, and even in this case, both the fan and thermal pad are far from the camera area. This is not how we are supposed to place it. My initial impressions of the cooler is good, and I'm not sure how effective it will be in cooling the phone, because even though it's really cold near the thermal pad, it also depends on how good is the temperature transfer from the cooler to the phone. This cooler uses the dual technology. One of them is the fan and the other is the silicon thermal pad, and something I'll be soon testing in my coming videos. That's all I had in this. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.